So hi everyone, I'm Jessica and I want to share my story of to raise awareness. Hindi ko inaakala na I'd be making this kind of video, but here I am sharing my story because maybe someone out there needs to hear it. So I was diagnosed with breast cancer stage 2. When I first heard those words, I felt like my whole world stopped. Takot na takot ako. I was really scared. Tuwing gabi, pag tulog na yung anak ko, umiiyak ako. Ang dami kong iniisip. Lahat-lahat. Pumapasok lahat sa isip ko na kung anong mangyayari sa akin, sa anak ko, and how would I get through this. But in the middle of all that fear, I realized I had to keep going. So I prayed. I prayed a lot. Nanonood ako ng comedies. Pinipilit kong tumawa kahit hindi naman ako natatawa. I kept myself busy because I knew I couldn't let this define me. That's why I'm here sharing this journey with you. Whether you are going through something similar, supporting a loved one, or just curious, I hope this vlog helps. This is going to be real, some good days, some bad days, but most of all, this is my fight. And I want to show that no matter how hard it gets, we kept going. So ayan, lumabas na nga yung biopsy result. I was diagnosed with invasive breast carcinoma, Nottingham, histologic grade 2 sa left breast ko. Na-shock yung doctor ko and she told me that this type of cancer is usually found in older people and that I was too young to have it. She even double-checked my name on the result. Nung kinonfirm ko that it was mine, hindi ko na mapigilan talaga yung iyak ko. Kasi shock na shock siya, so kinabahan na ako, di ba naunahan na ako ng iyak. So, the doctor immediately ordered additional test dun sa natandan na lump sa akin. And nagpa-additional naman si doc na test din sa akin, mga blood work, ECG, liver ultrasound, X-ray at kung ano-ano pa. So, na-overwhelmed ako, iyak ako ng iyak. And mag-isa lang kasi ako noon. So, inassist ako ng nurse. Nag-skip na kami ng usual queue kasi talagang hindi ko talaga mapigilan yung iyak ko para matapos na agad yung mga test at para makauwi na ako. So, a week later, my result confirmed that it was HER2 weekly positive. So, nagpa-additional na naman ng test si Doc. I think fish test yon. And my doctor then gave me two options. Modified radical mastectomy, which alam ko where they would remove my entire breast, or breast conserving therapy, o siguro lumpectomy yata yun, where they would remove only the cancerous portion dun sa affected area lang, nakinuha ng bukol. But they have to check din yung sa armpit ko, yung mga lymph nodes kasi I think I have 5 lymph nodes. Sabi ng doctor na doon daw pumupunta yung yun yung unang pinupuntahan ng cancer. So, they have to check it. So, sabi ko, if kumalat na siya at nag-positive din yun nasa kilikili ko, i-mastectomy na nila ako, tanggalin na nila yung whole breast ko. But if hindi naman siya affected, hindi pa siya kumalat, pinili ko yung lumpectomy, which is tatanggalin lang nila, makakonserve pa rin yung breast mo. Tatanggalin lang nila yung affected area. So, after nun, sabi niya, kahit anong piliin ko sa dalawa, meron pa rin akong chemo. And additional lang din sa second option was radiation. So, if you guys want to hear my story, please follow my account and you can watch yung part 2 ng video na to. Thank you.